Okay, so I made a little update. It's a little dust cover on there. And there's the bolt magnet positions. I cut it out 3/4 inch MDF. And this is it on the machine. That's pretty cool. I got my little furs and I just turn it, it pops off. And it's basically magnets under there, facing magnets here at the little hairs and the suction tube. Because boy, it gets dirty when you're working on crap. So I just wrote a little program and tool paths and machined it out. Real super easy. I know everybody's probably got one that has CNC, but I just haven't done it for a while, so yeah, it turned out pretty good. Just put it on there and zip, and it holds right on. I can put my tube on, and there it goes. So there's a little update. I think I have to get some new brushes for this thing. I about ran them out already. Got to figure out how to get some. Anybody got any spares, let me know. Alright, there's a little update. Pretty cool. Alright, well, talk to you later.